Hello again, pit and front ensemble friends. Today, some series of 3 short videos. We're gonna do the parade ceremony tunes, America, America the Beautiful, and the Star Spangled Banner. I'm just gonna play through them once on the bell set so you can see how I would practice them at home. Pay attention to the sticking, and you can use that feature of slow-mo replay where you can go half speed on YouTube to slow it down and see my actual mallet sticking. You can take an R and an L, put a lowercase r and L below the notes if you want to keep track of which hand is right and left, but it's important to alternate your sticking even on this small bell set. Always right, left, right, left, right, left. Usually we start our phrases with our right hand unless there's a specific reason to start with our left hand. Sometimes it works with the phrase to start with the left hand, but we always use both hands evenly because we can play faster with 2 hands. Oftentimes too, if you play twice with the right hand, the second note will be softer unintentionally. And if you play an extended amount of notes, your volume will be very inconsistent as you continue to play with just one hand or one mallet. All right, here we go. America.